What's up? It's your boy Eli. This is not. This. Why'd you just spank my butt? Look, this is Aubrey May.
A lot of people liking videos with dogs like puppies, so y'all gotta get paid for me.
Help!
Restart it. Aubrey May, you can't come for this.
If you've made it this long in this video, here's a cookie. And look, we have a puppy.
No, let's go outside with her.
Come on.
All
Let's
right,
go.
guys, we're gonna introduce y'all
To
the family. To the family.
I'm not in the family. I'm the forgotten.
Our channel's called John Nance.
My channel's called Your Boy Eli. Hashtag Your Boy Eli. Go subscribe to my channel, please. I know I have 0 videos, but but just do it. I promise I'll start uploading some Prime Entertainment.
We'll tell you how to get her. All right, so this is how you gotta see her very well. Look, so
Hold up, I'm gonna film
look,
it.
show her. Look, show her. Wait, no, hold on. Let's go. Hold me. Okay, look, this is her. Hold on. Ooh. Okay, this is her.
This is her.
And that's Aubrey May.
We already introduced her.
And
There's
we're
the
going
ball.
to show you that she can do tricks.
Yeah, she can.
All right, Eli, come on.
Coming.
Okay, all right. Sit.
Hold up. I'm not ready. Try again.
Stay. Look, hands up. Wait, no. I forgot to do it the first part. Sit. Hands up. Down. Whoopsie, I dropped it. Here you go. Sit. Sit.
Oh gosh.
And there is our other cat.
Hey, hold up. Before we start. Why is that way? Here.
And that
Hold
is
this.
one
Hold
of her
this.
tricks.
Hold this. Watch me. Throw as far as I can't stop.
All right, this is as far as Eli can throw. He can't even throw out of his backyard.
That was so bad. I'm so sorry.
This is how far Peyton Nance can throw.
Pate can throw far. I know it. Follow the ball. Ow!
Yeah, and that's how we do it. All right, and there is our cat. His name is Rebel.
Chunky
but we
boy.
call him